Welcome to Phil's Walks, number 552 3/4. Here we are at Pigbush. Absolutely magnificent day in the return journey. A very lazy walk, but what a stunning day. Views over the marshy areas. Lucy looking for the rabbits. And I think we might have found one on top of the hill here. Bobby seems to have had a new lease of life. He seems to be at his great age rushing around and generally behaving a bit puppy-like, which is a bit bizarre. Still, nice. Yeah, looks like this rabbit, or is it? Rabbit size. Incredible, the sand out of the rabbit hole. Right. Let's have a look at the marshy area. Doing what Jack Russells do best, burrowing. What's Lucy? Lucy! Oh, there you are. It's been down a hill. Right, it's a beautiful area. Let's go down to the marshes, have a look, see if there's anything down there. More later. So here we are at the Bishop's Dyke at Pigbush. And so what was the purpose of this? It was obviously a lot higher at one point, maybe with thorns and stakes on top. Was it to maintain a defence into the flatter lands there? Keep animals in? Hard to work out. But it goes for an awful long way. I mean, I don't know, what's that, about 2 miles long or something? Significant earthwork, whatever way you look at it. Certainly would have provided general protection, kept the animals in, more of a stockade purpose maybe. More later. Quick hint, don't let a Jack Russell near marshy land where a duck is. It will not give up and try and catch it, except the duck, I think, was defending its area and kept coming back and almost tormenting Lucy. So she's going to be dunked very shortly. Bob knows how to gel out, don't you, Bobs? He seems to be quite sprightly at the moment. More sprightly than I am, the old fellow. More later. A bit further up with the Bishop's Dyke. At some point I'll walk round the whole thing, recording the actual distance, because I'm convinced it must be about 2 miles long. I mean, that's a lot of earth moving, whatever way you look at it. Well, I probably said that before. There you go. But this is a beautiful day, great area, and a very mucky Jack Russell. But there must be a fundamental reason that you're isolating one side. So considering this goes round in a square, right through the middle of the marshy area, around the other side, it's strange what it is actually enclosing. Strange. More later.